How to check your balance on Netspend without logging in. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can check your balance on Netspend. For this, you want to open any web browser. Now, head over to netspend.com. Once you have been logged into your account, you can very easily check out your balance. For that, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then tap on the login option. Here, you simply want to enter your credentials, so go ahead and enter your username and password, then tap on the login option. After you have been logged into your online account center, you will be able to check out your balance from there. However, if you want to check your account balance without logging in, then there are some ways on how you can do that as well. The first thing you want to do is sign up for anytime alerts. Once you have been signed up for anytime alerts, you want to text BAL and send that text to 22622 anytime. Then your account balance will be sent to your mobile phone. Another way is to simply contact the customer support, and then they will ask you some of your credentials to verify that it is your account. After that, they will disclose your account to you as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.